So Mark Guido here is teaching me how to fly his drone that's way up in the sky there. I told him no, but he insisted, so. But he did tell me, he's like, if you're about to run into a building, let go and it'll just stop and stay there.
Yep.
So I'm like, all right, I'll fly it
then.
then.
If you ever panic, if you ever get confused, just let go of the sticks and it'll stop and just hover in place.
Now let's come towards us.
Look at that.
Oh.
Isn't that beautiful? That's the Air 3. Let's give it a little more altitude there.
That's why I stopped to do that. I literally, all right, now I need to go forward and I want to turn at the same time. So I'm just going to circle around. I think I could pretty much learn how to fly a drone.
It's super simple, isn't it?
I mean,
Now that's because it's a good quality drone with good firmware and good hardware. A cheap drone will not fly like that.
But what about a cheaper DJI? I mean,
yes, any DJI will fly very similarly to what you're flying right now.
Max.
What?
What do you think our next purchase may be?
I already know I already know.
I can do it. Look, I can fly it. So let's see.
So you want to keep flying, or do you want to learn how to land, or do you want to take?
I'm fixing to land. I could sit here and probably do this till. I'm gonna.
You can do it. I mean, you got up to half an hour on that battery.
No, that's okay. I mean, I know. The thing is I know that I can do it now, pretty easy.
That's why I wanted you to fly.
I appreciate it because. It's just one of those things. I just, start a YouTube channel. I don't want to just go buy everything.
So let's bring it down to like eye level here where the rocks are a little smoother.
All right.
Let's do that. Okay, let's bring it over here where there's less rock or smoother rock. And now what's going to happen, by the way, it has collision avoidance sensors on all sides. Try to fly it straight to you. Or me. It won't do it.
Oh, okay.
It'll stop.
That is
and
so
that
cool.
thing will start beeping.
Are you getting that in the?
Yep.
That is so cool. Well, then I guess landing is just being.
So what you're going to do is you're going to bring it down until it stops. You hear? Okay. Right there. Now hold the stick down. Put the stick down and hold it.
This one just.
Yep. And hold it down.
Oh, and it does it itself? Oh, man. Oh, wow. That's so cool, man. I appreciate it. I sure do.
You got it. So there you go.
Well, I appreciate it.
You're now a drone pilot.
I appreciate it, Mark.
I did the same thing again.
The dang gimbal. I know.
There we go.
Sometimes it has a mind of its own. Well, I appreciate it.
You got it. Anytime.
All right, thank you, sir. If you enjoyed this short video, please consider subscribing. You can also like, share, and comment. Then follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much.